YouTube, what's happening, man? Welcome back to the channel, guys, and welcome back to another food review. Today, we have a brand new flavor of wrap snacks, man. We got Rick Ross sweet chili lemon pepper flavored potato chips. Says the goal to be rich forever. Brand new flavor of wrap snacks, man. Rick Ross, brand new, just came out, man. The back of the bag right here, y'all can see. Y'all want to read that down below, y'all can. It says, every day is a perfect opportunity to reach your goal. Measure success by how many people you bless. Rick Ross. So, got a new flavor of wrap snacks, man. We got the Rick Ross flavor. The goal is to be rich forever. Top, y'all see it. Sweet chili lemon pepper. There go the chips right there. I think these bags should be a little bit bigger than this. I don't know, I'm tripping. I think the wrap snacks bag should be a little bit bigger than this, though. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it was bigger. Like, the bag should be bigger. $149 though for these. But look at what it look like. A couple of chips right here. Rick Ross sweet chili lemon pepper. See what it tastes like. Yeah. As far as sweet chili and pepper go, it's okay flavor. It's okay. Like, it's okay flavor. Will I rate these? I'll probably give these a C. Probably just a regular C, man. Not a bad flavor. I mean, you gotta get taste to it. It's not like the worst wrap snack flavor ever, but I think just a combination of sweet chili and the lemon pepper, it doesn't mesh well with me personally. My taste buds it don't really mesh well. Will I get these again? Probably not. It's okay. They're not too bad, but I'm really not a fan of this flavor. Not really. It don't really. Maybe the more I eat, the more I like them. But to me, C. I just give it a regular C, man. Just a C. Anyway, man, I got more videos on the way, more wrap snacks on the way, all that good stuff. Anyway, make sure you guys comment, like, and subscribe. And keep watching my videos, more food reviews, more videos on the way. Next time, guys, peace. We out. Comment, like, and subscribe also. We out.